Another form of research is using Pinterest. So if you go to here to the search bar and just type in pug, funny, t-shirt, or whatever, passionate niche, remember? Um, oops. You'll see a bunch of ideas. Sometimes you'll see lots of pins and lots of shares. The more pins, the more engagement it is, so you're more likely to get sales. The pins are not working today for some reason, but perhaps it'll change when you go on it. But anyway, so you go down Pinterest and just get some ideas. So like, here's an idea for a t-shirt. There's another t-shirt, Pugtato. That seems a bit complicated for a t-shirt. I don't know, maybe you could turn that into a t-shirt somehow. Maybe if you're an illustrator, you could, maybe let's try without funny. So let's just see what something could be turned into a t-shirt. So this could be turned into a t-shirt. I mean, you can click into these and you can get more ideas. So 22 funny animal pictures. So these are all going to be passionate niches, I'm guessing. We'll let that one load. So you want to stay away from Star Wars because you don't hold the trademarks. Pumpkin spice latte. This could be merged with coffee and pugs. Ladybug, that could be turned into a t-shirt. New smells from making popcorn at nights. No. So you get the idea. You just kind of troll all the interesting looking stuff. Pug you, that could be turned into a t-shirt. Yes. Excuse me. As a funny t-shirt, that's a passion, remember? So keep calm and find Larry, that doesn't make sense. On the bright side, I'm not addicted to cocaine. No, I'll probably avoid drugs. Excuse me again. See, that's kind of a cool phrase. Home is where you park it. So, there's so many types of cars, like camper vans. You can target campers with this. You get the idea. Like the word Volvo, you probably want to avoid that. But you can change Volvo into something else. Forget Prince. I want to vampire in a shiny camper van. Instead of Volvo, because Volvo is a brand and Ferrari is a brand. So you can have a picture of a car here. Before something great happens, everything falls apart. Like a mechanic saying. That's kind of cool. All you need is remote control cars. That's a passionate niche. So let's have a look at this. Yeah, just get a picture of a remote control car, and you've got yourself a t-shirt. And now, more like this, now you kind of get lost down these rabbit holes now. So look at these ideas. So science, that's passionate. Dog bathers. Wild about my patients. So it's like a targeting vets, I guess. Veterinarians. That's probably passionate. St. Patrick's Day coming up. So you get the idea. Look at all these ideas, guys. So just get lost into Google, Pinterest, Amazon. You just get lost, and you'll discover some amazing sort of ideas. So that's Pinterest for you. You can save a link, put it into your spreadsheet, and then you get your designer or you design it, and then just kind of go from there. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now you can check out some of my products, which is merchautopilot.com. Merch Autopilot is a blueprint to help you with the outsourcing process. So when things get a bit hectic for you, you can go back to having a life again. My next product is merchcomplete.com. It's a pre-made design factory, so it's going to be optimized, trademark checked. So check it out and click in the description below for a free